Hi, this is Candy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a regenerating question in OTUS. So the first thing you need is a question that you'd like to regenerate the equations on. So I wrote a really simple equation here. You'll notice that the structure of the equation looks the same. So the only thing I'm going to change here are the numbers. You'll notice in the red I'm going to assign all those numbers to the letter A. In the blue, I'm going to assign all those to the letter B, and in the green, I'm going to assign all those to the letter C. You notice I have the basic equation kind of typed out there, what it looks like with those variables in it. So I'm going to go into OTUS now, and I'm going to choose Create an Equation. I'm going to title it, and then I'm going to start by coming over here to Settings. The magic of the regenerating questions is the data table. And I usually just type this in. So those A, B, and C that I'd shown on the other screen, I'm going to type those in. So I'm going to start by saying A, B, C, which those are the variables I'm going to use. And then I'm just going to type in the numbers that I had typed in, or I had chosen for I had 4 equations there. So 5, 14, and 9. And 1, 12, and 11. All right, and then what I do is I hit continue, and you'll notice that it's all lined up. These do not necessarily have to be numbers. You can use different signs. You can use sine, cosine, and tangent. You can use words. I've tried all of that. So I'm going to go ahead and hit apply, and that will apply it to this question we're going to write. So I'm going to click add new. You can use this with a lot of different questions, but I'm going to choose to do it with a closed math question. So I'm going to choose math and closed math. I'm going to enter my question here. So I'm going to say solve for x. And then I am going to come over here to the equation. And I'm going to start typing the structure of that. And remember how I said it was x plus a equals b, and then x equals c is my answer. So I am not going to try to just type the letter B. The magic in the regenerating question is this little cylinder right here. So I'm going to grab that cylinder, and I'm going to choose the variable A that we created before. Equals, I'm going to choose the little cylinder again, B. And then so there's my equation. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to choose to make the answer x equals, and click OK. So that they're going to type their response there. And then down here in the response, I'm going to just grab that little cylinder again. I'm going to choose C because that's the answer that we want it to be. I also like to come down here. It drives me crazy when the box is small, so I like to change the width of my box. So I usually make this like 100, not 100, 1,000, 100, and 50. And then I also like the keypad to be a block keypad. And usually I switch it to algebra, even though I don't need algebra on this particular one. And I use basic as my second one. All right, I'm going to hit save. And then I am going to, actually I'm going to go back into that item that I just wrote. I'm going to choose to edit it because I want to go in and show you how you can preview this a little bit, the better way to preview it. All right, so I'm going to hit this edit button here. So I'm back in my question. This preview lets you see the regeneration of the question. So I'm going to hit preview, and you'll notice that there is the numbers for my question. And you'll notice here's that little cylinder again, and I can click through, and there's my next question. And I can click through, and there's my next question, and I can click through, and there's my final question. When you assign this OTUS system will randomly give each student one of those 4 questions when you assign it. And then you click save, and that's it.